Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with another video to help you guys do the Poise deal that everyone's on social media talking about. So I know, some people are confused as to how many coupons you use, what CRTs you're supposed to use. Some people are confused as far as the rebates for Ibotta and for Fetch. Guys, you're going to use a combination of everything. So what I did is I did two different scenarios because I know everyone's store is stocked differently, and I know everyone's coupons are different, as well as their rebates and the Fetch deals. So hopefully this will help some people, especially the newbies, because just about any way you do this deal, you cannot mess up. Any way you do it is going to be a money maker just because of the coupons and the $10 and extra bucks that you get back for spending $30 plus the Ibotta. I mean, it's just an all over win-win. Even if something doesn't attach like a CRT, or if you forget to give a coupon, is going to work out in your favor. So the first deal that I want to go over is this one right here. So this one is just in case you don't have 4 of the one by Poise to do, because that getting 4 of the one by Poise is the best way to do it, because that gives you the biggest money maker. Okay. So let's start off with this deal, just in case you don't have the 4 one by Poise in your store. So I grabbed 2 one by Poise and 2 of the Poise ultra thin pads. Now, all of that should add up to $30.16. At my store, the one by Poise are $7.79, and the Poise ultra thin pads are $7.29. Now, even though I know this added up to $30.16, that's what I took up to the register. But then there was a new cashier, and he was, bragging about all these people coming in and doing this deal. That's why, I got the last ones on the shelf and blah, 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 blah. But then he proceeded to tell me that I wasn't at my $30 for me to get my CRT, which I knew I was. I was over the $30. But, he was very persistent. And the last thing I want to do is piss off a cashier or make a cashier feel less than at CVS because I coupon there so much and I hold up the line and I have so many transactions, and I want them to be patient and I want them to be my friend. So I just ran back and I got 2 of the U by Kotex pads that are buy one get one free. Now, they are not part of the spend 30 get 10, but he thought they were, so I let him think that. And I was perfectly okay with that because I had a $2 off coupon. They're buy one, get one half off. And they're $1.79. Then half of that is 90 cents. Then use my $2 coupon is like paying 80 cents for 2. So I was fine with that. I didn't care. So that's the story. So just in case you're wondering why I have the 2 things of Kotex in my scenario, but you don't have to get that. You could just get the 2 one by Poise and the 2 Poise ultra thins. So then there are 2 coupons out there that you can use for the one by Poise. There's a $2 coupon that just expired on, I believe, the 14th. But if your CVS takes expired coupons, you can still use it because they're good up until 14 days after the expiration date. And then there's a $3 coupon that just came out in the paper this Sunday. Now, if you don't have any insert coupons, you could still do this deal. That's what I want everyone to know. This deal is for everyone. There's a way everyone can do it. If you don't have any insert coupons, all you have to do is go to poise.com. So here I'm going to show you. You just go to poise.com and you can see there's plenty of coupons for you to print. Now, they are all different denominations. Let me see if I can bring one up to show you. Oh, I have to put in my email, and I'm not doing all that. I've already signed up for this. But I just wanted to show you that you can print coupons if you don't have the insert coupons, okay? Great way to still be able to do the deal. Then there's also a $4 digital coupon in the CVS app that you can use also. Now, there's also a $2 Poise pad insert coupon that came out, I believe, a week or so ago. I don't have any more of those coupons, or else I would be able to show you guys. But it's the same coupon that you would use for the One by Poise that expired on the 14th. On the front of the coupon, it has the One by Poise and the Poise pad. So you can use both of those coupons for either one, okay? Now, look through your CVS app and see if you have any CRTs, like $5 off 25 on adult care, $5.25 off of pads, maybe $3 off of 10 pads and liners. Whatever it is, see if you have any of those and use those to make your out-of-pocket much lower. But make sure that you scan these products into your app to make sure that they attach, and make sure that you scan them into Ibotta to make sure they attach. So Ibotta is giving back $3 for each One by Poise, up to 3. There's a limit of 3. Then they're giving $1. Well, now this one gets tricky. The Poise Ultra Thin Pads, there's 2 different rebates. Some people have $1 off one, and some people have $1 off of 2. Either one you have is still going to be good, because what's nice is that the One by Poise pads are also attaching to the Poise Ultra Thin Pads. So that's pretty cool. So that makes it even better for you. So let me show you what my receipt is. So here you see there's the Kotex liners, which I didn't have to get. I just shouldn't have listened to him. But like I said, I didn't want to make him upset. So there's the Poise thin liners, $7.29, $7.29. The One by Poise, each $7.79. I used 2 $3 paper coupons for the One by Poise. Then I used 2 paper coupons for the Poise Ultra Thin Pads. And then I used the $2 coupon for those You by Kotex. That I didn't have to get, that I'm going to say one more time. Then I used a 6 off of $30 purchase CRT. So not only do you want to look for the pads and liners CRT and the adult care CRT, but you want to look for your purchase-based coupons. And then I used a 30% off coupon for this. Now, if you are going to use a percentage off coupon for your transaction, do not, and I repeat, do not pay with extra bucks. If you pay with extra bucks, then your percentage off will be lowered. Pay with the gift card, pay with cash. Do not pay with extra bucks. So normally I would pay my transaction with extra bucks, but I didn't, because I used that percentage off coupon. So that took off $4.31, okay? So my total was $10.53, and I paid that with my PayPal. And then I got back I ripped my extra buck off. I got back $10 in extra bucks. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. So then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and you see I got back $9. Now, how did I get back the $9? Because I got back $3 for each one of the Poise pads. And then, even though I only had 2 of the Poise pads, ultra thin liners, I got $3 credit. I got credit for 3 because one of the One by Poise pads attached to the Poise liners. And each one of these are a limit of 3. So that was $9 back from Ibotta. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and then I got $5.60 from Fetch because I got $4 back, which is 4,000 points for buying 2 One by Poise products. And then I also got back $1,500. Wow, $1,500. I wish. 1,500 points, which is $1.50 for buying the Kotex pads. And that's why I was absolutely fine with buying those, because I knew that I was getting points back from Fetch, which would make them free, because I also had the $2 coupon. So now I have tracking for spending the $30 on the Kotex and the $30 on the Poise pads. So when you add all of those numbers up, when you add the $9 back from Ibotta, the $5.60 back from Fetch, and the $10 back in extra bucks, that makes this a $14.83 moneymaker. Guys, this is why everyone's running out to do this deal. So that's why I say you can't mess it up. There's no way you can mess it up unless you just don't have any coupons at all, you don't have Ibotta, or you don't have Fetch. That's the only way you can mess this up. So now the second way I did it was this way, buying the 4 One by Poise pads. And I got the 2 Kotex, but I didn't have to get those 2, but I did because I knew I had that rebate. Now, and also because I wanted to stack 2 CRTs together, these pads CRTs that I had. Now, come to think about it, that's probably why the cashier told me in my other transaction that I needed to get those Kotex pads, because I actually did this transaction first, then I did this one. So he probably looked at it like, well, she got the Kotex pads in the first transaction, why didn't she get them in the second? So it's neither here nor there, because like I said, it's still a great deal. So I got 4 of the One by Poise pads. They are all $7.79, which brings me to like $31. But I needed to get to $32 and some change, because I had a $4 off 20 CRT on pads and liners, and I had a $3 off 12 pads and liners. So I needed to get to that spend threshold. So that's why I threw in the U by Kotex, because I knew that would get me there, and I knew I had the $2 off coupon and the reward for Fetch. So let's go over that receipt. Okay, so here you see the Kotex pads there, $1.79, the second one 50% off. There you see the 4 One by Poise. Each of those were $7.79. And then I used 4 $3. Well, so let's start with the $2 coupon. I used the $2 coupon for the U by Kotex pads. I used 4, oh, why is this so blurry? Here we go. 4 $3 coupons, 1 for each of the One by Poise. And then I used a $4 off 12 One by Poise CRT and a $3 off 20 tampons and pads CRT. And then I used a $10 extra buck to pay. So yes, I used the extra buck to pay with this one because I did not use a percentage off coupon. So I paid $2.84 with my PayPal, okay? And then I got back a $10 extra buck. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $12.10. So I got back $3 for 3 of the One by Poise. I didn't get credit for the 4th one because remember, the limit is 3. And then I told you it was attaching to 2 rebates. So I also got $3 back from the Poise Ultra Thin pads, even though I didn't get those. The One by Poise pads are attaching to 2 rebates. So I got a total of $12.10 back from Ibotta. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back $5.50 from Fetch, $5.53. I got $4 back, which is 4,000 points for 2 of the One by Poise, and then the $1.50, which is 1,500 points for the U by Kotex, and then all the little cents. So there you see $5.53. Okay, so when you do all the math, the $5.53 from Fetch, the $12.10 from Ibotta, and the $10 back in extra bucks, then that comes to $27.63. But we paid $12.84 at the register. So that makes this a $14.79 moneymaker. So guys, when you combine this together, now you can only do this deal, spend 30, get 10 one time on each card. Only one time on each card. But I did 2 separate cards. So I did this deal twice, one on each card. So 2 cards I used. So this was a total of $29.62 in money makers. Oh my goodness, guys. Now you see why everyone's going out to do these deals. So run, do your deals, look through your CRTs, look through your coupons, print the coupons out if you have to. I'll put the link to the Poise website in the description box as well as in the comments. Come back, let me know how you made out. Let me know how big of a deal you made, how much money you made off of the deal. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I'll put the link in the comments in the description box for Ibotta. All you have to do is click on it and go ahead and input your information. I'll do the same thing for Fetch. Now get this. If this is your first time using Ibotta, not only will you get all that other money, but you're going to get an extra $10 just for redeeming 1 rebate. So guys, that'll make that like a $20-some money maker for you. So if you're serious about saving money and couponing, this is the deal for you to do. So guys, thank you guys for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.